So this beauty rolled into our workshop with a fresh coat of blue laid down, clean lines, minimal orange peel, and a really vibrant tone. He just needed us to bring it to life. We started with a full mechanical rebuild, engine, suspension, electrics, the works. It's got a brand new wiring loom, fully serviced brakes, and we upgraded the ignition system to make it more reliable for daily riding. The final result? A head-turning, smooth-running Vespa with a story and soul behind it. It's not just a restored scooter, it's a collaboration between a passionate rider and our workshop. Massive shout out to the owner for trusting us with this build. And if you've got a project of your own, you know where to find us.
Hi everyone, this is our new merch. Come to the shop to come get it yourself and click the bell notification to see more. Click like and subscribe. Thanks guys.